Hello, myself Mohammad Awais Khan of CSE ANML is here to give a presentation, and my topic is a comment on tree structures. What is a tree structure? A tree structure or a tree diagram is a way of representing the hierarchical nature of a structure in a graphical form. It is named as a tree structure because the classical representation resembles as a tree, although the chart is generally upside down compared to a biological tree with the stem at the top and the leaves at the bottom. Now let us see the terminologies and properties in a tree structure. Path. A path refers to a sequence of nodes along the edge of a tree. Root. The node at the top of the tree is called root. There is only one root per tree and one path from root root node to any node. Parent. Any node except the root has one edge upward to the node is called a parent. Child. A node below the given node connected by the edge downwards is called its child node. Leaf. The node which does not have any child node is called a leaf node. Subtree. Subtree represents the distance of a node. Visiting. Visiting refers to checking the value of a node with control. Visiting refers to checking the value of a node when control is on the node. Transversing. Transversing means passing through a node in a specific order. Levels of a node represents the generation of a node. If the root node is at the 0 level, then the next child node is at 1 level and its grandchild is at the level 2 and so on. Keys. Keys represents keys. Keys represent a value of node based on which the stress keys. Keys represents a value of a node based on which a search operation is to be carried out for a node. Now let us see what are the basic tree operations. Insert, search, pre-order transversal, in-order transversal, and post-order transversal. Insert. It inserts an element in a tree or creates a tree. Search. Searches an element in a tree. Pre-order transversal. It transfers a tree in pre-order manner. In-order transversal. Transfers a tree in ordered manner, whereas post-order transversal transfers a tree in post-order manner. There are four types of tree structures. They are binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, and B tree. Now let us see what is a binary search tree. The representation is the binary search tree exhibits a special behavior, that is, a node's left child must have the values less than its parent's value, and the node's right child must have the value greater than the parent's value. Below diagram, you can see the representation of binary search tree. Now let us see the applications of a tree. Binary search tree are used to quickly check whether an element is present in a set or not. Heap is a kind of tree that is used for heap sort. A modified version of a tree is called trees. A modified version of a tree is called trees. This is used in modern routers to, to store routing information. Most popular database use B trees and tree trees, which are the variants of the tree structures which are used to store the data. Compilers use a syntax tree to validate the syntax of every program you write. This brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you.